Hello viewers, today my best topic in my video here in the alternative barriers and the barriers and barriers means virtual data room or virtual virtual data virtual data ROOM virtual data room software, and this is the alternative to BDR. Although the virtual data room offer many benefits. Although virtual data room offer many benefits, yes, this is absolutely true. Virtual data room offer many benefits. They are not suitable for every industry. For example, some governments may elect to continue using physical data rooms for highly confidential exchange of information. The damage for the potential cyber attack and the data bases action, the benefit offered by the virtual data room. For example, some governments may elect to continue the using physical data room for the highly confidential access of the information. And the damage for the potential cyber attack. This is the most important. The potential cyber attack and the databases access the benefit offered by the virtual data rooms. The result of such event could be satellising of the investigation classified information. Thus, in fact, the use of BDR will not be consideration. Of the virtual data room are the gather of this OS, and virtual alternative in the virtual data room software is this OS, and this OS and the ongoing of the virtual data room software. And today ending my video, and thank you so much in the video here. Thank you so much.